Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral reels or trending reels on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to show you 8 tips to make your Instagram reel goes viral. Okay, I'm going to click on this plus icon guys to create Instagram reel, and then we can select reel right here. Okay, and you can go to the templates and then you're going to select the trending templates or the recommended for you reels, and I'm just going to choose this one for instance. Okay, this is the template from the trending reel. So I suggest you to use template from Instagram so your reel will have bigger possibility to go viral. Okay, you just need to use this template and replace the clips with your own. Okay, here we need a lot of clips guys, and I'm going to select random video from my gallery. Wait, I'm going to choose just random video from here. Wait, I'm going to choose my video right here. Okay, that's enough, and I'm going to click on next. And you just need to wait for a moment until the Instagram Reels has been created. Okay, and now the videos and the templates have been replaced with my own video. Okay, and we just need to click on next, and before we post it we can edit it, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Just click on next, and you can add caption or hashtag or maybe location to your reels, and then you just need to click on share, and the Instagram reel with trending template will be shared to your account. And okay guys, that's how we can create trending Instagram reels. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.